Ah, more rain. 1 week enough of bloody rain or what?
Oh, mate. I mean, it's good when it's nice and cool.
I swear it's been like 2 weeks of nothing but rain.
Yeah, I know. Luckily, we got a nice inside area to work, eh?
Yeah, nice inside.
Yeah,
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. Crack open and see what we're doing.
All right. Oh, okay. So, Lexus Day. It's got a birthday?
I think he's been sitting in the corner for a few weeks now. We've got some stuff sitting here for it. So, while waiting for some patrol parts to roll up, keep going with that. I can get cracking on with this.
Yeah, so what's the plan? I see the back wheels are off, so that is an indicator for what, suspension?
Yeah, so basically, today we're going to try and put all the suspension back in. Coilovers, front and rear, adjustable tow arms. I've got tie rod links to the front, upgraded or factory upper control arms. So we're going with the IS200 chaser control arms. They're going to be more camber over the factory Lexus. I've got some wheels here too, so we're going to probably test fit and start getting the rear height setting set up.
Yeah, look at those new rims. How much were they? Facebook Marketplace deal?
Yeah, $200, mate.
Oh, that's what you want.
The Enki wheels, TF07s. So they're good for little skidders on the back. Actually, I might look at them. I might get on the pair for the front.
Yeah, make them look nice even all around. Yeah. You gonna stay after silver, or are you gonna go with the red?
No, I'm gonna go with the red. The car will be getting resprayed, and I think the red will go really good with the aero that we've got. And
the aero that you got coming.
Yeah, I ordered some aero. I got some more stuff as well come from the States that I've got, which I'll put a plug out when we put those on. Yeah, pretty much it'll be. The red will go good with the colour, I think. It'll look really, really good.
Hell yeah. Okay, so we're getting into the back end of this and then a little bit on the front. If we can cut and shut. What are we cutting and shutting on the front?
Yeah, so I've got some Drift HQ knuckle adapters for the front. So basically what that is it bolts under the factory knuckle. You do need to cut it, modify it, but it gives you a lot more lock on the front. So it's very cheap kit. It's like $150. But there is some obviously cutting and grinding that we need to do to get it how we want it. But like while it's all apart now, sort of get it all done, all the suspension done. Because from here it'll be basically
bodywork and engine.
We're going to reassemble the motor that's back now, put that back together, then make the mounts, get it in the car, get it paint. Because the car, realistically, we've got a lot of stuff here for the car. It's just a matter of time to put it back together again. We get on the dyno, get it driving.
Realistically, we could almost have this thing running by the end of the month if if we had the time.
Yeah, and if everything turns up on time, like a lot of stuff that's come from overseas, it takes a bit longer to get here. But yeah, I've got a lot of stuff here for it. Just like a few AN fittings and some lines of fuel, the fuel lining, and setting up the hydro. I've got a second set of calipers over there. We'll fit those too. So it's just a matter of time really. But between this and patrol, we're trying to keep it rolling for you guys and. All like I said, we both work full-time jobs as well. So it's just garage.
And where's Adrian?
Yeah, so you'll be seeing Adrian today. He's making an appearance. He's got some time. He's gonna come share with us, and we're gonna smash out. Get the band back together, smash some work out.
Hell yeah! Awesome. Okay, let's get into it.
All right, guys. We'll show you some what we're doing. Get some B-roll in there as well for you. And yeah, just so you can see the before and after.
Hell yeah! Let's go.
All right. So as you can see here. Got all the coilovers now out, tow arms now out. Let's get the coilover out. We've had to pull the sway bar link out and the bottom bolt in there. Drop that, pick the rear arm out. The bushing's already worn, as we're going to see here. But we're going to an adjustable tow arm now instead of just the traditional fixed. No, only replacing it with new bushings.
Look at how thick that the new one is compared to the old one. It's got a bit more meat to it.
Yeah, so not only are we putting new bushings essentially in it, also now got the adjustability of the track, and when we put them back in and have it sitting nice and low, we can get the tow where you want it. Like I said, I want to keep it pretty simple. You can get adjustable rear arms for these.
As well? Yeah,
lower arms and upper control arms and everything else, but for what we're doing, like it's not a competition car, bit of fun, for the street car, bit of fun weekender. So we're only doing sort of what we need to, so keep it to the budget that we set for it. But yeah, so they're going to be replacing those, and
coilovers.
Yeah, to the factory strut.
Look at the adjustment on the new one compared to the...
So we've got obviously base height, and we've also got dampening, so we can adjust the dampening, softer ride, harder ride, whatever we want. These are the max speed rod coilovers, but they are the upgraded version, so they've got the heavier spring rate, so the fronts...
I think that's...
Yeah, I think Adrians here now. We've got upgraded, I think it's like 10k or 8 or 10k front springs, 6 or 8 in the rear. So heavier duty than the factory ones. Obviously, the engine on this is a lot wider than the factory engines. So that should help us as well.
100%. Oh, look at it, it's over there, all wrapped up.
And pieces, like that'll be a feature.
And there's the head.
Yeah.
Oof.
Get it all back together again. Get all the hardware to go back onto it. But yeah, so basically we're going to be upgrading. Same thing, all new bushings. So not only are we replacing the bushings, like makes it a nicer ride, we've also got the adjustability now and get the ride height where we want it.
Yeah, 100%. Like the fully adjustable here, like you can see, not only can we change the height of the spring itself, but we can actually change the height of where the shock is as well. So it's fully adjustable. And then again, yeah, that dampener will definitely help us. So, what do you reckon? Let's get it in, or do we go annoy Adrian first?
Yeah, we'll get it in, knock it in, we'll just go to lunchtime, so we'll try and get as much as we can done before lunch.
Easy, okay, copy.
Just coming to time crunch.
Alright,
You guys tying in or out?
so that would be,
No,
well, it's shorter. It was shorter than the original.
No, it's adjustable.
Yeah, I made it shorter than the original,
That's tying in.
most likely. So we probably want to make it roughly the same.
Oh, well, the whole thing about having adjustable, you can adjust it when it's in the car.
Yeah,
There's a place at Yarrabah now, Lead Run Motorsport.
yeah.
And just set up like dirt. Oh, it's not the ground fucking doing it.
Nothing but hair everywhere.
Got some shit to store now.
Much more banter.
Great.
Oh,
That-
stick it in my hole.
Wait, where's the... No, that doesn't work either. This must be this way.
That's correct.
It's not sitting flush on the floor.
Flush on the floor? What do you mean? You know it rotates, right?
Yeah, I'm trying to get the right positioning. I think it's all of them. Oh, it rotates, but then it doesn't sit right when you don't rotate.
No, there's only this only goes in one way up the top.
So what do you need right now?
Pepperoni.
Yeah.
Large pepperoni, garlic bread with a Pepsi, I think. That's what I'm feeling right about now.
Peps and peps.
Yeah. I love it.
Hey Jock, when was the last time you got screwed?
Screwed.
Yeah. Well,
For legal reasons, I cannot tell you.
that's the best night you've ever had.
3 of them too. Yeah, that's how you nut 3 times.
That was some shit ass chat by all of us, but we'll get there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, that's him. In like phlegm, they say. What?
How low it is?
Go on, shack her on, mate.
No. That's hard for you.
I'm excited. I might be a little bit.
Edward. That's in. Get a little. Maybe this one now. We'll do this one now. That's the play. You know what you do?
we are with the IS200. Coilovers are in. We've bottomed them out. Where'd you say you got those from again?
Max speeding rods.
Fantastic. Max speeding rods, coilovers. But she's just not low enough. Jock?
Yeah.
Can you lend us your ass, mate?
How's this?
Oh, there we are. Now we're talking. That's what you want. Just a little bit of...
A little bit of squat.
A little bit of squat.
Dude, come this side.
Pop a squat.
Now picture this fitting with a small tyre, he says.
But dude, you have like, I'd say a 215? I reckon. I mean, bringing enough, 215?
What about 235 40s?
So if I went with 215 40, I reckon it'd be enough?
225. 225 35 18.
Well, stop that at touching.
Yep.
No, I reckon or 205.
225 35. Thinner sidewall. And you lower your ride height as well because you've got a thinner sidewall too. So less overall diameter.
So what you're saying, I need to order those two wheels right now.
But also,
Yes. Yes, he does.
Adrian is back, aren't you?
Yeah.
Not gonna lie about that.
Tell you, that's pretty expialidocious. What a fat ass. This steering wheel is fucking tiny now.
What's wrong with it? Little. Oh. Wait, question.
Yeah.
Can you cook it?
Can I cook it?
Yeah, can you cook it?
Oh, once it's running and rolling, yeah. That's will cook.
Yeah.
Kitchen, man. We'll burn some tires.
Burn some tyres, mate.
So they told me not to modify cars. Then I started cutting.
What?
Alright, so big day. We've got a lot of the car done. We had a few setbacks and just a few. Obviously, the first time we've done this, it's on the floor, so we're sort of just trying to see what worked before we tighten everything up fully. Rear coilovers and toe arms are in. It sits really, really good. These are 18.9 plus 30. They sort of sit pretty well where we want. They're a 225 with a bit of pressure, no rubbing. We thought I'd gone a little bit low because we do have some movement to go, but once the body kit on it, plus you're driving around the streets and stuff, have it too low, so it starts tearing everything up. We can probably offset that with a smaller tyre, maybe bigger tyre. We'll see how we go with that. I did end up sourcing some guards. I picked them up pretty cheap start of the week. Not the best condition. The car is getting resprayed anyway, but it's good. But it's good fitment. Like we'll be able to see the guards are rolls.
Yeah, look at that.
See, yeah, it sits really nice. To the front, we've got the IS200 Chaser, control arms fully in, coilovers, we wound the base right up. We still have more to go, but I feel like once the engine's in, we might raise it up a little bit. We'll see how we go. What else? We've got the upgraded IS200 Lexus toe arms, a bit longer, a bit more beefy, and it also complements the Drift HQ lock kit we've got in here. We've got the adapter kit, which pushes the wheel out a fair bit, as you can see, gives a bit more camber. The kit comes together really well. We're very happy with it. We've still got a few things to tweak on it, so it's not, it's done up tight, but when the engine goes back in, do the front end and stuff, we want to have to still probably raise it because you factor in the weight of the engine.
Tweak it a bit, make it nice.
Yeah, tweak it a bit. But overall, a productive day. We're still going to do the driver's side. We didn't get a chance to get the driver's side done today, so we had to obviously cut the front knuckles to modify those. Yeah, you know, we're getting there. Just bit by bit.
You can just, if we turn the wheel a bit, turn the wheel, you'll be able to see exactly how much more that we have. It's just crazy. Look at that angle.
And even the back weight, it's good. There's no rubbing. I think we'll have to do some trimming in here to make it work.
A little bit of trimming.
It does touch a little bit there, so I'll have to do that. But full lock both ways.
In behind here, you can see.
Literally full lock, doesn't touch anything. Doesn't touch the front sway bar.
It just, it looks mean. We've done this side. We'll get the other side done.
Yep. I've got the front end, we've got two, so I've been straightening out the front end tabs for the new buckets, put the headlights in, so that's probably going to be the next sort of project once we get the suspension done.
Yep.
We're trying to get it together pretty quick. I don't think we're going to make the autumn
Spring.
Matsuri, but we're aiming for the spring Matsuri end of the year. That'd be awesome to get it done for then. Get a bit of seat time before then as well. But yeah, she's coming along. I mean, you guys can let us know. I'm still undecided. I run the 18s all round.
These.
I run the 17s on the front and the back. Like same size 17s all round. I'm still undecided. I like the beefy look at the big time at the front.
And have you decided a colour?
Yeah, I have. I've got a colour which will go good with the red wheels. I've also got some red arrow, so
Ooh.
it'll look quite good. It will look really good.
Because the painter wants us to strip the engine bay too.
Yes, that's another thing. So once we get all this sorted, we're going to start piecing and pulling all these fuse boxes and stuff out. Get the engine bay ready for paint. So we're going to paint all that before we get the engine mounts in. So put the gearbox,
Easy.
the engine assembled. I've got a lot of stuff here to do. And it's just a matter of just getting time now to get it done.
Sweet. So, what is it like? Like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe. Keep
Comment.
along. Like we get the engine ready. The Hilux motor we've got going for this thing. Get that ready to go now. Get it reassembled. Got all the gear for it. And yeah, get it in.
Yeah.
Get it barking.
Easy. Until then.
All right, see you in the next one, guys.
Not to